from WBTC3.com. I want to talk to you in this video about how to prevent further damage to your curbs. You might have seen some of our videos about why curbs matter, about what the defects are, what qualities of good curbs are. We're going to talk about what to do once they start showing defects. A lot of curb problems come from drainage. A lot of curbing issues come from either overflowing drainage over them, maybe too much mulch that's catching the rainwater, maybe not enough mulch, maybe it's a high traffic area. But once the damage happens, you want to look at the cause, and you want to try to solve the crack, because any crack in a building just gets bigger. So locate it, deal with it, continue to monitor it, and then still replace it on time every 25 years. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We're the best firm in the world for small businesses, for institutions, for hotel chains, and for those really gnarly jobs that you just need a whole team of dudes who know what they're doing to come around you and come around your job and tell you what's up. Thanks again.